Hey, what's up, guys? Tasche here, and folks, tomorrow I'm going to be reviewing a brand new course called Commission Drill. Now, this is a YouTube ads course. It's actually a 10-minute YouTube ads trick and funnel that's designed to earn you daily commissions through CPA and affiliate offers. So, folks, the product is coming from Ivana, Bosnjak, and rawat, and it's being released tomorrow. That's Wednesday, January 18th, 2018 at 10 a.m. Eastern. And like always, I'm going to send my review out about an hour before the product goes live, give you a chance to look it over and make an informed decision on taking action to get this for yourself. And of course, like always, I'm offering an incredible bonus package for you when you take action and you pick up your copy of Commission Drill through my link. Now, if you're on my email list, look for an email from me tomorrow around 9 a.m. Eastern. The subject is going to say Commission Drill Review. And if you're not on my list and I see you're watching this video on YouTube or Facebook or any other platform, look for a link in the description or in the post, and that's going to take you to another page where you can access my review from there when it goes live. So, guys, thanks again for watching, and I look forward to talking with you in the next video. See you soon.